Subscribe to the quiz gallery and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest quizzes and challenges. How it works: I'll show you a combination of emojis on the screen and you have 5 seconds to guess the country. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's warm up with an easy one. Think of pizza and pasta. What country comes to mind? Did you get it? It's Italy. Let's keep the ball rolling. Here's another one. A land of sushi and Mount Fuji. It's Japan, known for its rich culture, advanced technology, and breathtaking scenery. Alright, next up, picture a tall tower and warm baguettes. It's France, the Eiffel Tower, Paris, and some of the best pastries in the world. Keep track of your points. Here's a wild one. A country famous for kangaroos and endless beaches. You guessed it, Australia. The outback, the Great Barrier Reef, and so much more. Let's keep going. Next, think of pyramids and sandy deserts. It's Egypt, home to ancient wonders and the mighty Nile River. This quiz is heating up. What about this one? Castles and beer. Where could we be? It's Germany, land of Oktoberfest and fairy tale castles. How are you doing so far? Next clue. Maple syrup and ice hockey fans will know this one instantly. It's Canada. From its stunning nature to vibrant cities, Canada is full of surprises. Here's a tasty one. A country famous for its steak and tango. That's Argentina, land of passion, music, and delicious food. Did you guess it? Try this, a country known for its historic sites and religious significance. It's Israel, a blend of ancient history and modern innovation. How many points do you have now? What about this? Chocolate and precision watches. Where are we? It's Switzerland, the land of Alps, luxury watches, and world-class chocolate. Here's a musical one, flamenco dancing and tapas. It's Spain, vibrant culture and delicious food. Next, think of the Statue of Liberty and fast food. It's the United States, a melting pot of culture and innovation. Here's a tropical one, reggae music and island vibes. It's Jamaica, Bob Marley's homeland and a paradise for beach lovers. Let's go classical, a country known for music and alpine beauty. It's Austria, home to Mozart and stunning mountain views. Last one, elephants and tropical islands. It's Thailand, famous for its temples, beaches, and delicious street food. Did you ace this one? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the quiz gallery. Oh, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next upload. See you in the next challenge.